Well, hello, Sarah. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm thrilled to speak with you. I appreciate your time. I'll let you introduce yourself to everyone watching, if you wouldn't mind saying who you are and what program you're with.
Yeah, thanks for having me. My name is Sarah Smith. I'm the program director for dental assisting at Ozarks Technical Community College in Springfield, Missouri.
Wonderful. And one of the reasons I was so excited to speak with you today is I know your program and your students have leaned on the DANB exams in certain ways. Can you speak a little bit about how your program uses DANB and DANB exams?
Yeah, so each of our students will sit for the DANB exam at the end of the program. And then to prepare the students to take the DANB, we do use the exam outlines that are available online for general chairside, radiology, and infection control to make sure our curriculum is up to date with what the students will be expected to know to take the DANB.
Wonderful. And what do you think are some of the benefits that you see from your students taking the DANB exam, both for them as well as the benefits to your program?
Yeah, so for the advantage for the students for taking the DANB, I would say it's just an opportunity for them that adds credentialing to their name. It is a certification that's nationally recognized. And for our program, whenever we do have students that take the DANB and pass it and become certified dental assistants, we are just replenishing the workforce with dental assistants that are adequately trained and educated.
That's wonderful. And that's so important. One of the things I've seen in survey results is that the issue is not just kind of a shortage of dental assistants, but a shortage of qualified dental assistants. And your students are coming out of the program qualified and credentialed and ready to go. That's wonderful. And have you used the program performance reports that DANB offers?
Yes, so we use that with our program. We do have 2 cohorts. So with each cohort, once they sit for the DANB, we do receive those performance results. And we use that as an assessment tool to, again, just make sure that in our curriculum, we are making sure that everything in our program is lining up for them to confidently pass the DANB, and we're preparing them the best that we can.
Oh, that's wonderful. And has your program used materials from the Dale Foundation with students, some of the practice tests or review courses?
Yes, we love using the Dale Foundation. We use that, so the second semester of the program, we will purchase the Dale Foundation, the 3 different exams that they have to study, the study tools that they have, and the students get a login for each one, and it's just the practice exams. We encourage them to use that 6 months before taking the DANB, just to prepare them for what's going to be on there, what kind of questions to look for, the amount of questions. So the students actually really enjoy using that. And also, as educators, we sometimes get on there too with the students and just kind of go through things and make sure that the students are understanding what the question's asking or how they could prepare themselves a little bit better for questions that might be presented a little trickier than others. So it's a great resource to have.
That's wonderful. Yeah, test taking is something that some people have a lot of anxiety about, and being able to do practice tests and getting used to that timed environment is a great way to get ready for that big exam day. That's wonderful that you're with your students every step of the way with that exam preparation. And with your students, what are some of the opportunities that you see they have when they're graduating from your program and going out to getting those first jobs in dentistry?
Yeah, so with our program, we have close to 100% job placement, either prior to graduation or after graduation. The students are, in the community, the students are getting jobs quickly. They are typically getting jobs where they have done their clinical rotations. But yeah, it's our program. We're definitely replenishing our community workforce. I would say also, you know, a lot of dentists are looking for that CDA expanded functions. So because we can produce dental assistants, that's it for the DANB, pass it. And then upon that, in the state of Missouri, we're able to offer expanded functions with the CDA. So we definitely produce some great students that turn into great dental assistants out in the community.
That's wonderful. Well, I can't thank you enough for speaking with me today. Before we wrap up, is there anything else you'd like to share or say to either your fellow educators or the students coming who will probably be graduating this spring and starting their first jobs?
I will just say that, you know, as a program, we really appreciate all the things that DANB has to offer us and the opportunities that it provides for the students, but also our program as a whole. And the resources that are available are wonderful and we utilize them. Like I said, you know, with each cohort, we have 2 cohorts each year, so they're utilized frequently and, you know, we're happy to have a partnership with you all.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for your time. It sounds like your students are out there thriving and helping the community at the end of the day.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much.